Hello, this is Barry Nirmal. Please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe link below. In this project, we are replacing the roof just near the door, the front door, just above the front door, small area, we are replacing the roof. So now, this time the contractor is removing the old shingles by using a crowbar. See, he has a crowbar. So with the help of a crowbar, he is just prying out the old shingles. And he has already found that in some places the wood under the shingles is rotten. So we have to replace with the new wood. There is a metal part. There is a metal part on the left and in the front, and on the left the shingles went on the metal part. Okay, so this metal part is called flashing. So metal part will stay, but all the shingles will be replaced. So he will just put a new piece of wood and put the shingles and then nail them with roof nails. You know, there's a special kind of nail you need. It's called roofing nails. So he will just nail them. He is using a reciprocating saw to cut the section of the wood that's rotten. Okay, he's using a reciprocating saw with a blade meant for cutting wood. He has cut a section of the wood that was rotten. Okay, and underneath, of course, there is another piece of wood that serves as the ceiling, that you see from below. So here he can stand on that, and he cut that piece of wood. Now there is another. He's checking out if all the wood is good or some are rotten. Okay. There is one 2x4 on the left that's also rotten. So he will put another 2x4. He will put another 2x4 next to it, and then so that he can nail the top, the wood on it. See how the metal part, he's lifting the metal part so that he can remove the shingles. And then those new shingles will go under the metal part. Okay. Sometimes on the left hand side they went over the metal part, but the metal part is there to basically make them strong. Okay. He has inserted a 2x4 piece, and he's nailing the 2x4, the new 2x4, to the old 2x4 to make those 2x4 stronger. So we have bought some 2x4 pieces, and he's nailing the new 2x4 to the old 2x4 to make them stronger, so that the top wooden piece can be nailed to these 2x4. The hole on the right hand side has been filled, patched with a small piece of wood, and now the big hole on the left bottom side, he will patch it with 2 pieces of new wood. Okay, and he already put the 2x4s, new 2x4s, so he will nail the new plywood to the new 2x4. See, now he is putting the roofing paper. See, there is a roofing paper he has spread on the plywood, and he is nailing them with the roofing nails. Okay, so you have to spread this paper on the plywood, and then only you can put the shingles. This stage, this is how the roof looks like. Okay. It has the roofing paper and the metal sheets on top and left.
Sorry, what is the hammer? I'm sorry. I thought I had it complete.
So he's starting from the bottom. He's starting from the bottom, putting the shingles, and then he will go towards the top. But before laying the shingles, he put this metal trim in front, on top of the wood, and also on the side, on this side. See, there is a metal trim on the right hand side and in the front. He put the trim first, nailed it, and then now he's laying the shingles, and those shingles are going under the metal on the left and on the top. Okay. This is how it's coming along. See how the shingles are being laid, one on top of another. You start from the bottom, lay it, then you put another shingle on top. Okay, and then you nail each one of them, maybe with a roofing nail. nail them to the plywood with a roofing nail. Okay. Can I drop it down? This one, this piece? Or you need
no,
it?
I'm going to need it.
You need it? So basically this is how they are laid.
You know what? I don't need it.
You don't need
No,
it?
this is the last piece.
Okay. So this is how the shingles are laid, see? So this is how you lay on one on top of another and then nail them down. So the final roof after the job completion looks like this. See what we did, the metal part on top and left, we painted it with a enamel paint of dark brown which matches the color of the roof shingles. So it looks beautiful, it looks like new roof. In fact, not looks like, but it is a new roof, okay? Thank you. Hello. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking on the subscribe link below. Also write your comments in the comment section below. Spread the word. You can share this video with your friends by clicking on the share button below and you can share it with WhatsApp, with Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and by sending email to your friends.